Mediterranean quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 cup cucumber, chopped, half a cup red onion, chopped, half a cup Kalamata olives, pitted and chopped, half a cup crumbled feta cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook the quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a large bowl, combine the quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, parsley, and mint. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Serve chilled or at room temperature. This salad is packed with protein and fiber from the quinoa, and plenty of fresh veggies and herbs for flavor and nutrition. Enjoy!